Algebra. Are you afraid of algebra? Don't worry. Once you understand the concept of algebra, you can easily learn it further and you will no more fear it. So, without further delay, let's get started from the beginning. First, let us understand the basic concepts of algebra. What is algebra? Algebra is a branch of mathematics where we use symbols to represent values and these symbols are called variables. What are variables? The word variable means value that can vary, means change. Variable can hold different values. Its value is not fixed. Variable means any unknown quantity. Generally, we use alphabet in lowercase letters like ABC, XYZ, PQ, MN to represent a variable. For example, if I tell you I have X books or Y pens, can you tell me how many books I have? No, you can't tell because I have X number of books. Means X can represent any value. It can be 1, 2 or 10 or even 100, right? So here X is a variable, its value can change. Variable can take any value. I have X books. Okay, my friend gave me 2 more books. In algebra, we can write like this x plus 2. Now you know what is variable. What about the other term? I am talking about number 2. In the given expression, 2 is constant. Another example y minus 6. Here, y is variable and number 6 is constant. Then what is constant? Constant is just a fixed value that does not change. Value cannot be changed. You cannot say number 2 is 3 or number 8 is 10. That means the value of this number is fixed, that is constant. If I tell you 10 times x, we can write it as 10x. Here number 10 is coefficient. What is coefficient? See here. 10x is nothing but 10 into x or 10 multiplied by x. When a variable is multiplied by a constant, then there is no need to use the multiplication symbol in between them. Here 10 is the number present before the variable. It is called the coefficient. 10 is the numerical factor or numerical coefficient or arithmetic factor and x is called the literal factor or literal coefficient or variable. Coefficient is always written before the variables. It either multiplies or divides the variable. Here 10x means it increases the value of x by 10 times. X by 10, here it divides the value of x by 10 times. Now I am going to talk about algebraic term. An algebraic term is a number or a variable or the product or quotient of numbers and variables. For example, 8. The number 8 is just one term. If I add variable here, it will be 8 plus x. Now we have two terms. Okay. Another example. 7 minus x plus z. What about this case? This expression has three terms. 7, x and z. What about the multiplication like 8x? This is just one term. X by 8. This is also one term. I hope it is clear to you. Remember, addition and subtraction separate the terms. Multiplication and division do not separate the terms. What is meant by the term power? Power means how many times variable is multiplied. For example, x. X has got the power 1 because it multiplied only once. In case of y square, it is multiplied twice. That is, y square is equal to y into y. Here y is raised to the power 2. Similarly, in case of z cube, it can be written as z into z into z. that is 3 times. In this case, power of z is 3. Factors. Factors of 12. 3 into 4 is equal to 12. 2 into 6 is equal to 12. 1 into 12 is equal to 12. Therefore, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are the factors of 12. Similarly, algebraic terms also have factors. For example, 8x square is equal to 2 into 4 into x. Another example, 5xy square is a term. Then its factors are 5 into x into y into y. Let us study about types of terms. There are two kinds of terms, like terms and unlike terms. Is there any difference between the two? Let us see. Like terms. Two terms are like terms if they have the same variable with the same power. For example, 3x and 7x. Example 2, 18xy, 12xy. Unlike terms. Two terms are unlike terms if they have different variables or same variable with different powers. For example, 6x and 8y. Second example, 10xy and 7x square y. Examples. Find the like and unlike terms. Example 1. 3xz, 10xz. First we have to look at the variables, then we need to look at its power. In the given terms, it has same variable with the same power. Therefore, these are like terms. Example 2. 20x square y cube and 10x square y. In this case, both the terms have same variables and variable x has same power and y has different powers. That's why these are unlike terms. Expressions. What are expressions? For example, 6 plus 2, 18 divided by 2. These are examples of numerical expression. A numerical expression consists of only numbers and operations. Algebraic expression is formed from variables and constants using different operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. For example, if I have 6 chocolates and my brother gave me x number of chocolates, in algebraic expression it will be 6 plus x. Another example, 4x plus 6. In this expression, x is a variable whose value is unknown to us, which can take any value. 4 is known as the coefficient of x. 6 is the constant, which has a definite value. Expressions are made up of terms. Types of algebraic expressions: monomial, binomial, trinomial, and polynomial. Monomial. Expression with one term is called a monomial. Example, 2x square, 3xy, 8z. Binomial. Expression with two unlike terms is called a binomial. 7xy plus 5, x square y plus x cube. Expression with three unlike terms is called a trinomial. X plus y minus z, 2x plus 3y plus 9. Polynomial. Polynomial comes from poly, meaning many, and nomial, meaning term. So it says many terms. It includes monomial, binomial, trinomials. Polynomial is an expression which has one or more terms. A polynomial can consist of variables and power but never division by a variable. 5z plus 9 plus 2x plus y. Equation. An equation can be defined as a mathematical statement consisting of an equal symbol between two algebraic expressions that have the same value. The most basic and common algebraic equations in math consist of one or more variables. For instance, x plus 9 is equal to 15 is an equation in which x plus 9 and 15 are two expressions separated by an equal sign. In an algebraic equation, the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. Here, for example, 3x plus 6 is the expression on the left-hand side, which is equal to the expression 21 on the right-hand side. Thank you for watching. Keep learning and keep practicing. Take care.